Hi all of you, in today's video I am going to show you that how you can style your buttons and links. I have already made my file, which is, you can see that here, it is hashtag 12.html. So it is my 12th video of my web development series. So now let's copy the content of my form which I already made in my fourth video. So let me copy it. So now let's just run this and see how it is looking. So now you can see that it is looking like this. Okay, so now in this video I'm going to show you, as I already told you, how to make this button looks great. So let me just do something like, this is my button div. So let me just do one thing. uh, let me just here put it here, and after that I will make another div. Okay, and I will take this div below. So now I will give a class like not class id btn1 means button 1. Okay, now I can give also here class, not class id btn2. Okay, so now it's time to uh, write css for those two buttons. First button is my, because it is id, so it starts from hashtag btn1. Okay, now let's make, wait a second, id btn1 btn2. Okay, so, oh, I didn't add style, so that's why it is, its color is white. So let me write style first. Now again btn1, and now first I will do, first let me see how it is looking average. So let's make it a flagship button by adding some like padding. Okay, let me do padding auto. Now let's save. Now let's see what is gonna happen here. So now my reset button is now here. Okay, so let me do one thing, not do padding this much. Remove padding auto and give my padding by myself, px 5px and 5px, both for y and for x, both of them are 5px. Okay, now refresh. So now you can see that, so you can see it, the button one is my this button submit one. Okay, so let me add something more like you can add, let me show you. So like you can add like uh, let me do here only uh, background color background color. Let me add something here, green, because it is a submit color. So let me do this. Now let's save. Now if I refresh it, so you can see it is uh, adding here, not in this button. So wait a minute, let me check what is the problem here. Button submit. Okay, okay, I got it. What is now the problem is? So the problem is, let me give id to this one. So let me give id now here. Okay, id is equal to like btn btn1. Now let's save. Now if I refresh, so now you can see that my the color is added to my button. So let me do it. So first let me remove here padding. Okay, now let's see what is happening. Okay, so I think why it is not okay. first let me also make a CSS for hashtag button 2. Okay, btn2. Now let me first cut from here id, cut this id. Okay, cut and paste it here. Okay, btn2. So now let's see. First, don't see, first I have to add something here, like I will add background color red. Okay, why it is not going here? uh, Let me write red. Okay, so let me see how this button is looking. So now you can see that both are looking really awesome. Okay, so let me do one thing. I want to uh, I want to place this button here. Okay, so what I have to do, I just uh, remove this div tag, and again I will push this above. How I am doing this? Alt plus above arrow. So you can do that by selecting this and just pressing alt. Just don't press one time, just press it, and while pressing it you can move arrow above and below. So you can do like this. Now let me see that it is working or not. So you can see that it is working really well. So first let me add some more features, like if I want to look, if I want these buttons look great, so how can I do this? I can do this by adding border uh, 2 pixel. Okay, solid black. Okay, let me save. Now it's time to refresh. Now you can see that only submit button. Okay, so I have only added this property in submit button. So let me add it, reset one also. Now let me save. Now so you can see that my borders are there. So let me add padding also, because padding plays a very vital role in CSS. Padding, let me do auto. Okay, auto. Let me save. Now again I'm adding padding in this one also. I think this is pretty much good. Let me save. If I do refresh, nothing is happening. Why nothing is happening? So first let me add something like in y-axis I want 5 pixel, in x-axis I want this auto. Let me save. Now check how it is looking. So nothing has happened. Why? I don't know, but let me do something else, like first add border radius, and I will give it 5 pixel. Okay, 5 pixel. Now you can add, now you can see that the corners will be more curved. So now the edge of this box, you can see the corner. So this, I am talking about this corners. So this these will convert into uh, so these corners will convert into curvy part. So I don't know what is the correct word for that. So let me just refresh. So now you can see that it is looking pretty much good. So let me copy this and also paste in this button. Okay, so I think these properties are good, and also I can add like this, like if I want to give margin, a margin from top. Okay, and I want margin 10 pixel. So let me just see how it is looking. So you can see that it is applied on both. So that is pretty much good. So as you can see that if I am taking my cursor to this button, it is not reacting something. So let me make it more user interactive by adding a property which is known as text no. So first I have to give, so first let me give this class also. Let me give class, like I already told you, class or can be uh, can be used many times, but id is unique always. So class I will use btn only. Okay, so let me just copy this class from here and paste it here. Okay, and now let's save first. Now let me add something like btn hover. Where is hover? Yeah, as you can see that I have added a property which is known as, so it is a class, so it will start from dot, as you all know already. So now I just have to add color. I will add both of them. Which color I will add? uh, Blue. I think blue is good. So now let's see. So now I have refreshed it, but when I, you can see that the text is changing blue. So as you can see that. Okay, so first let me make some more changes, like let me do font bold. Okay, let me uh, increase font size. No, let me do font bold. Okay, this is the bold one. So now it is better for you to see. Now let me refresh. So now it is not doing something. I don't know why. Font is bold. Yeah. Bolder. Let me do bolder. I think it works or not. So it is not working. I don't know why. I think I should give this property here. Okay, let me give here. Okay, now let's save. Now let's see what is happening here. I don't know why what is happening here. Uh, let me go here and check this input submit div tag. So let me give here a class. So let me give a class like I should remove a class from here. Here class is btn. So now uh, I think there is no point to remove this class. I will write here what class I should take. I should give text. Okay, I have given a class text. Now let's save. Now let's make another one here from here, text. Okay, so it is a class, so it will start from dot text. Okay, now I can write here this font. Let me just remove this and also remove from here. Okay, also from here. Now I am pasting this here and I will do only bold. Now let's see it works or not. So just keep an eye here. It is not working. I don't know why. Something is going wrong, I think. uh, so let me do just one thing. uh, let me uh, so I can add background color as well. Background color black. I think black would be great. So if I only hover here, why it is not working? I should give this a background color only in, okay. If I cut this uh, property and paste here, okay, also paste here. So now let's see what will happen. It is also doing same thing. There is nothing uh, changed. I think I should remove this one because I remember that this is used for links. So let me remove, and I will show you how it works in link. So let me remove this bracket also. Okay, so uh, I just want to say that it is blue right now. Let me check. Yeah, it is blue. So let me make it black from here. Okay, RGB 00, and let me save. Only reset one is uh, black because it is button 2. Let me do here on here as well. Now let's save. Now let's see, it is also now black. So now it is looking great, but the problem is that when I going on this button, it is not responding. So let me make it responsive. First let me write cursor property, cursor, okay, cursor, which one, I think pointer, okay, cursor pointer. Let me add this cursor property in my button 2 as well. Now let's save. Now if I going on this, you can see that uh, like hand is appearing on that button, but before it was not appearing. Okay, so let me just, so it is looking great now. And uh, and now I will show you that if I create a link, let me create a link first. I will create a link like a is equal to uh, let me just copy link from Google. So I have copied a link of Instagram, as you can see here, and now I will write here Instagram, okay, Instagram. So let me save and let me check how my link is looking. So this is my link, as you can see. If I open this, I can also go to Instagram, okay, I can access my Instagram from here. So let me just uh, make this, let me just give a class to this a tag, okay, or let just don't give class. Let me show you what I can do with this a. So there is also known as a hover, which I already showed you, okay. So let me just open this and uh, back, let me just write color. Color will be aqua or chocolate, okay, chocolate is the color. And if I refresh this, if I refresh this, if I go to this link, you can see it is appearing now chocolate, okay, it is now appearing in chocolate. So first let me just do like this, a is equal to, and let me font, let me give a font size like how much pixel I would give, 20 pixel I think. So let me see, if I refresh 20 pixel, let me just give it 40 pixel, so it will be more bigger, okay. So now you can see, if I do this on this, so if I want to remove this line, which is under Instagram, so how can I do this? I just want to give like text, okay, text uh, decoration, text decoration none, okay. So let me see, so now you can see that the line is now gone and it is just Instagram. So it is looking like someone type a heading like this, and it is looking like that. But if I click this, so it will go to, I can access Instagram. So let me just do one more thing. I think there is one more property like a uh, visited visited. Okay, so if I write color, like which color I should give now, uh, I think I should give this pink. Okay, now let's save, and now let's again. So my, so it is showing because let me show you again how it is work, how it works. So let me remove this first. Okay, so now if I do here anything else like anything else like Yahoo, okay, like yahoo.com, and if I remove this, so now let me just write here also Yahoo. Okay, so I think this is good. And if I again do this, so you can see that now when I hovering on this link, it is turning chocolate. Why? Because I have already set a property on a hover that the color would be chocolate. So if I visit that link, it link becomes pink. So I haven't you can say I haven't visited this link, so I am now visiting this link for first time. So let me see what will happen. So let me see, now you are on Yahoo. I think I should go back. So now you can see it is converted to pink. So this is the a active property, and these are some property, amazing property. You should try by yourself also. Just play around with these tricks. Also there are many properties you can see here: empty, enabled, decrement, blank. I don't know what this property does, but you can play by yourself. But the, you can say the most used properties I am already telling you. So I think if you do these properties, so this will be more beneficial for you. So I think this is pretty much for today. So yeah, I think this is the time for signing off. Bye for now.
ਉਹ ਜੱਟ ਹੱਸਲੇ ਨ ਕਰਦਾ ਏ ਖਾਬ ਰੋਜ਼ ਨਵੇਂ ਫੜਦਾ ਏ